In this video, we will be looking at how to add, install, activate, or delete a theme. So I'm currently using the 2024 theme that I would like to change. So to do that, let's go to WordPress admin page. Now, this website only has two pages, the login and the register pages that we've created. And we would like to change the theme. So from the menu, we'll go to Appearance, and that automatically takes us to themes, but you can also click on themes. So this will take us to the page where you've got all your themes installed. I've only got two themes. The first one is 2024 that I am using at the moment. And I've also got the Astra, which I have only installed, but I haven't activated. So you can actually look at live view. It will give you an idea of what your pages, in my case, I've got logging and register, what they'd look like if I had activated and published this theme. But let's have a look at how we can actually add a new theme, install it, activate it, and how to delete a theme. So initially this shows us, there's a tick at the top. This shows us that these two have actually been installed. So we can actually look at other, so these are popular themes. You can look at the latest themes, block themes, and favorites, but I haven't got anything in my favorites. So let's go to latest. I saw this really cool one. It's called Prime Cybersecurity. So let's have a look at what this page looks like. And I think it looks cool. Maybe we can probably work with the colors later, but let's just say we liked it. Let's click on install. And we can actually activate it from here, but we can also click on X, come back to themes, and I just want to show you how that theme has been added into the installed themes. And we can always click on add a new theme and add more themes. So let's have a look at, for example, some of the popular themes. So we can see, for example, Niv. Let's install Niv. So that's another theme that we can also look at. How there's so many other themes, so just have a look and play around. But let's just say we would like to activate the Prime Cybersecurity. I'm just going to click on activate, and let's go back to our website and refresh it. So we can see that the theme is already installed. We can see how the login, it still needs to be fixed, but we can see how that actually reflects our new theme. So when you click on login, click on register, obviously it doesn't match, the forms don't match, but the idea was to show you how to change a theme. To delete a theme, so let's just say I don't want the 2024 anymore. I'll click on it and I'll click on delete. If you like to just see what only pages that you actually like. Sorry, only themes that you like. Let's activate the Neve and see what that also looks like, what our page looks like. So I'm just going to click. So that's what Neve looks like. Yeah, I feel like it's a little bit probably more serious than the other one, the Prime Cybersecurity. But yeah, it's up to you. So just wanted to show you how to play around. Because we've changed our theme from 2024, which was a very basic one, we can actually access things like the menus and theme editor, theme file editor from here. So we'll talk about working with theme file editors in future videos, but for now, I just wanted to speak about how to add, install, activate, or delete a theme, and hopefully I've done that. So thank you so much for watching.